Please, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things that I cannot change, the courage and strength to change the things that I can, and the wisdom to know the difference.
Taguer, mais c'est très bien.
C'est bien, vous avez raison, comme ça votre vitrine va rester.
Et c'est 10 fois plus joli que d'avoir un tas d'affiches de coller et tout. C'est bien, c'est parfait.
Ignorant humans, the truth shall now be revealed. No good. Somewhere along the lines I lost my way in life. Maybe I'm no good. Waiting for a better way, waiting for the better days. I gotta stop missing my life away, but I can't find any shelter. Maybe I'm lost forever. Maybe there's no way. Break it down. Not everybody grows up the same. Some have to deal with oppression and rage. It's all fucked up. When you know you got no escape, you find a way to deal with the pain. Oh, fuck. It started as a casual fling. I take a drink and everything would seem alright. All fucked up. Now I know I got no way out, cause this addiction is with me for life, and it's all fucked up. I used to drink from the bottle, now the bottle seems to drink from me. Lately when I look in the mirror, it's a stranger staring back I see. I couldn't find the answer at the end of a bottle, while inside I was crying, but I kept on trying. They can't hurt something that's already broken. I'm on the wall, now I will stone. Crash and burn, when will I ever learn? I've gotta stop living my life. Living my life, all fucked up, but I just can't seem to get it right, because I'm all fucked up, cause I've been living my life, so fucked up. I look around and see what's going down. It's all fucked up. I just gotta get out, I gotta get away. Maybe it's too late. Maybe I fucked up.